Hi, let's take a tour of the greenhouse tube I have in a backyard. I'd like to see how it survived the recent winter storm. Now I've carved some walkway to get to the greenhouse. Actually, I have a large backyard, so got plenty of room. So let's just see what's going on inside the greenhouse. We have about, I would say about between 45 and 50 degrees right now. A bit windy. Actually, this is a fig tree. I've winterized it. So actually basically covered it in plant covers. So let's hope it survives the winter. Every winter it would die, and then during springtime it would grow again, but this time I covered it. Let's hope it doesn't die. Alright, the greenhouse size is 40 by 10, and you enter through zipper doorways. So let's unzip this doorway. There we go. I've built some platform to keep the plants. I was able to host about close to 100 pots. This is a two-story platform, both sides, so it's 20 feet long, and in the other section, actually I've bought two sections, so each section is 20 by 10 and combined two. On the other section I have some work area here. I didn't have the need to build a platform on this side, so I mostly have my supplies here, pots, soil and stuff, and some five reels. I have it here. I planted mostly flowers on top, and then spinach and I believe cilantro on the next two, and the last one was mostly for strawberries. I had a couple of 2 dozen strawberries. I didn't have too much. Strawberries didn't give enough fruit, so this year I'm planning to plant them outside. So these are the poles. The poles have stabilized the tube. It's a plastic tube, and let's see, inside the temperature is, I would say, it's close to 60 degrees. And I have built a mini greenhouse for my strawberry plants here. From what I understand, strawberries survive the winter. If it's not, if it's if the temperature drops below 20 degrees, then it may start dying. So that's why I've built a mini house wrapped. Actually, I've put the plants under the platform and wrapped plastic around it, and put the strawberry plants in these beds, plastic beds. And what I've done is I've covered the beds with plant covers, and I've put some piece of wood here to stabilize it. And actually, so this way I'm hoping, this is the first time just testing it. I'm hoping that these strawberry plants survive and be ready for planting during springtime. Yeah, so this I do this during my spare time. It's fun. I've decided to start putting videos, so if anybody's interested, they could follow me with my progress. I have two projects that I'd like to do. The doors, I'm not too keen about the zipper doorways, so I'd like to put in some 2x4 frames and then probably do a spring door. And the divider, I'll also probably stabilize the divider where the two greenhouses meet. Probably do a 2x4 divider there instead of just combining the plastic together. And yeah, so I've decided to put more videos. If anybody's interested, they could follow me. And actually that's the way I'd like to plant the strawberry. I have a raspberry field there. Now, raspberry actually survives the winter. Every year, this is the 5th year that it goes dormant during winter time, but the springtime it just for 3 or 4 months. Every day I can pick about a whole pot. Actually, I would say probably a couple of pounds of raspberry, fresh backyard raspberry. Okay, till next video.